Hello everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can do part 3 revision of unit Higher Education System. In this video, we can see the difference between conventional and non-conventional education and what is Oriental, professional, technical and skill-based education. Conventional learning. This is also known as traditional or customary learning. This refers to the traditional teaching learning method in a classroom environment. This method is teacher-led method and this solves the purpose of learning the textbook material. In conventional learning method, learning from the teacher is given the utmost importance and that's how Gurukul system was followed in India. We will see the features of conventional learning. Face-to-face interaction being a primary feature of conventional learning, it requires the students to commute to educational institution. In conventional learning, set curriculum is followed and traditional assessment methods are used to evaluate the learners. In conventional learning, teacher plays a more active role and students play a passive role in learning. Non-conventional learning. This is completely different from traditional teaching learning approach. This places more focus on activity or skill-based education rather than just learning what is in the textbook. Now, features of non-conventional learning. Time and distance do not matter in non-conventional learning as it facilitates distance or online education. In non-conventional learning, the learning sessions are mainly student-led. Students are given more practical exposure to learn through experimentation and first-hand experiences. Students are also encouraged to think out of the box. Innovation and creativity are majorly valued in non-conventional learning programs. Non-conventional learning gives access to education to many learners who would not have access to it otherwise. Oriental learning and research. Oriental studies deal with cultures, languages, people, history and architecture of Eastern society. Here in this slide, you can see some examples of Oriental research institutes in India. Now we can see the purpose of professional, technical and skill-based education. Professional education is a specialized system of education and training in specific fields like medicine, management and law. Technical education. This focuses on practical application of pure and applied science to come up with new innovations and also find solutions for existing problems. Skill-based education. This is also known as vocational education, which integrates skill development with theoretical knowledge base. This type of education makes the learners completely equipped to work in the field. Field exposure and on-the-job training are primary features of skill-based education as just the theoretical knowledge alone is not sufficient to make the learner ready for the industry. So to develop skilled workers in India, Sankalp was launched. Sankalp is an initiative launched by the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. The main objective of Sankalp is to improve short-term skill training. Full form of Sankalp is Skill Acquisition and Knowledge Awareness for Livelihood Promotion. Now we can revise some previous year questions. First question, which one of the following forms a necessary component of conventional education system? Option A, learning from books. Option B, learning from the teacher. Option C, learning from thinking. Option D, learning through instructional material. A necessary component of conventional education system is learning from the teacher. Option B is the right answer. Second question, non-traditional teaching and learning strategies lay emphasis on. First option, students need-based resource materials and learning standards. Second, developing skills, attitude and values. Third option, promoting in-box thinking process. Fourth, lecture-based model. And fifth, acquiring knowledge necessary to respond creatively. Here, combination of these options are given. In these options, first option, second and fifth are applicable for non-traditional teaching and learning method. Promoting in-box thinking and lecture-based model are not features of non-conventional or non-traditional teaching method. So 1, 2 and 5. Here in the option A. From the given options, option A is the right one. Third question, the education imparted through institutions of higher learning in India such as Sanskrit Vidyapith is an example of. Option A, non-conventional learning program, B, value education program, C, Oriental learning program, and D, professional education program. Option C, Oriental learning program is the right answer. Fourth question, here we have two columns, column A, types of education, and column B, the fields associated with it. Column A, first is professional. So, fields associated with professional education are medicine and law. 1, 3. Academic, that can be matched with arts and commerce. So, 2, 4. 3. Technical, engineering and architecture comes under technical education. So, 3, 1. Skill-based can be matched with carpentering and sewing. So, the option order goes like 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2. Now, here we can look at the options. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 2. Option D is the right answer. Fifth question, the expansion of Sankalp is. Sankalp is an initiative for skill development. Option A, Sanskrit awareness and knowledge acquisition of language program. No, that's not the right option. B, skills acquisition and karate awareness for livelihood promotion. No. Option C, skills acquisition and knowledge awareness for livelihood promotion. Option C is the right one. With that, part 3 revision of Unit 10 and our 30-day revision series gets over. Hope you find this helpful. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy for more videos on NTA NET preparation. Thank you.